welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus G Play in the size medium. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus G Play Plus itself. It's shown here in a fun purple colour, and it's also available in sizes small and large as well. So you can enjoy the Nexus G Play together or solo as well. It provides intense stimulation. This vibrator's curved tip just here is perfect for both G-spot and P-spot stimulation. It's made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and feels very comfortable during use. Now this toy is not flexible, but as you can see through the curved shaft, it will effortlessly find your sensitive spots in your body. Now it's also completely waterproof, so you can use this in the bathtub or shower for extra fun sensations during use, and you can easily cycle through 6 powerful vibrations. To turn on, you can find there is a button at the very base. Simply press and hold down for 3 seconds and the vibrations begin. You can also tell the toy is on through the blue light. To switch, simply click on the same button and decide which vibration settings are the best for you. To turn off, simply push and hold down, and it's now off. To charge, it's very simple and easy to do. Right where the DC letters are is where the charging point is located. Using your USB charging cable provided, simply pop it through like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Remove the cable once charging and it's ready to go again for next time. Now when using the Nexus G Plus Play, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean the toy after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus G Play Plus in the size medium. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.